Hi, my name is Teresa Kovlak, and today I am going to take this trinket tray and turn it into something colorful. So we're starting off with a white tray, and for my color combos I just went into the garden, picked some flowers, came in and went with the flowers for the color combo. So I have magenta, and this is the Pinata by Jacquard. I have sapphire blue. I'm also going to be adding some rich gold, some passion purple, and I am going to be using a little bit of mermaid by Ranger. So we'll set these over here. What I did with my inks is I took and put them in a little bottle, and I added some 99% alcohol, and then I put a good little squeeze of ink in here. And then we are also going to be using the 99% alcohol. I put it in a squeeze bottle, it's easier to use. But for the beginning, we will use a little bit of the blending solution. Because I am working on a ceramic dish, we can use the heat gun. So let's get started here. We want to make sure our dish is clean, and we're just going to go ahead and put down some blending solution just to start with. And this is a little bit of that mermaid. And we're going to give that a quick little blow. When you see me adding alcohol, I am using the 99%. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of that sapphire. So I would say one of the biggest tricks on the Wispies is to have your alcohol inks watered down with the alcohol and using plenty of the 99, and then not putting a lot of inks down. I would say those are the biggest keys of doing this. So we're just going to add a tiny bit more, and then we're going to add our gold. The nice thing about adding the gold is you're putting in some accent colors, something to reflect off. Make sure you give it a good shake. I find the Pinata brand is definitely better than the Ranger. So my alcohol is starting to dry. I'm just going to give it a quick, just because I want to put that gold in on top of the wet alcohol. And we'll give that a little bit of movement. So just depending on the look that you are going for, you can keep going. You can add more colors. And I'm just going to add a tiny more alcohol here. I forgot to refill my squeeze bottle. So I really like the look of these Wispies through here, and I don't think I really want to change anything. I might clean up the edges here a tiny bit and let it go ahead and set up for a couple of days. After it gets done setting up, I'll take and I'll put a layer of resin over top of it. That way it'll seal it and keep it protected. And I'll just enjoy this tray. So I hope this video helped you out a little bit. If you are using the ceramic tray, you can use the heat gun. If you're using Yupo paper, when using the Yupo paper, if you use the heat gun, you can't put it too close to the paper because it will warp it. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or comment, leave them in the section below and I will get to them. Again, my name is Teresa Kovlek. You can find my art on Facebook or Instagram under my name. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a great rest of your day and happy painting.